Hi, I'm here to explain and help point out some of the clues you may find in the albums that make up the Listener's Trilogy. The Listener's Trilogy is a collection of 3 albums that are all connected by an overarching theme of what our group, as well as the name Soliloquist of Sound, is all about. The attention and care we put into the creation of these albums is a conscious effort to reward the listener and to create an experience that extends way beyond the music. Both the name Soliloquist of Sound and the concept stringing these albums together are greatly influenced by the world of theater. For example, each album in the trilogy mirrors the structure of a 3-act play. Where the first act of the trilogy introduced the characters involved, the second installment is where all the action takes place. You'll notice on No More Heroes that the sound is a bit darker, it's more in your face, and quite frankly, there's more guns.
I wanted the style to be a little bit flashier, a little bit more below, a bit more in your face.
When you get the album, pay attention to the artwork on the inlay beneath the CD. There are bits of information scribbled out as to not give away too much. There's a mathematics equation, a diagram, some text, as well as the lyrics to the last track on the album. All essential pieces to the puzzle.
In the story of how 4 lives, living in a world of solitude, collide.
Life.
Pay attention to the number 4. In No More Heroes, the number 4 comes up a couple of times. Each time it does, a direct reference to the trilogy is being made, which is also why we chose to discuss this information now, here in episode 4 of Heroes in the Making. The song Soliloquy, the foretelling, is itself a foretelling of what the 3rd album will be about. As the name suggests, the listener is a huge part of the trilogy. On As If We Existed, the listener sets off the album with the Pledge of Resonance, and on No More Heroes can be heard in the final track. In the lyrics, you'll find references to an anechoic chamber, as well as the spiral of silence. Maybe you should research these things. Okay, the whole idea of this is to involve the listener more in the music. The more that we include the listener in the process, the better the experience will be for us all.
僕はスクリーンの境界をぶち破ることで観客を強引に巻き込みたいと思ってるんです。観客は安全地帯にしちゃダメなんです。はい。
Maybe you should research these things.